reflecting surface, reflecting surface.
আপনার ভয়েস কেটে কেটে আসছে, আমি কিছু শুনতে পাচ্ছি না।
শোনা যাচ্ছে না?
এবার যাচ্ছে, ফোনের কাছে চলে যাচ্ছে।
এখন শোনা যাচ্ছে?
হ্যাঁ যাচ্ছে।
আচ্ছা ঠিক আছে। This is the back surface. This is the back surface and this is the reflecting surface or front surface. Front surface. ON. What is ON? ON is the normal on the plane mirror. This is AO. What is AO? Incident ray. Incident ray. Incident ray moves towards the mirror. Towards the mirror. This is OB. OB, this A arrow. Here is, I am deleting. This is OB. What is OB? A reflected ray moves away from the mirror. From the mirror. Angle AON. This is known as incident angle. Incident angle. Another name, angle of incidence. Angle of incidence. Okay. Next thing is here I am deleting this question. In this case BON, angle of reflection. Angle of reflection. This is denoted by R. AON, angle of incidence. This is denoted by I. First thing here, this angle of I. This angle of R. Light is moving towards the mirror. From the mirror, after reflection, the ray move towards this. This is the reflected ray, this is incident ray, and this is normal. ON. What is this? This O. What is the name? O. Sorry. O equal to point of incidence. O equal to point of incidence. This O. What is this O? O equal to point of incidence. Okay. Now please see here. First, in this case, what is the definition of reflection? When light moves towards the mirror, from the mirror, light returns back to the same medium. This is the different medium, and this is the same medium. From this to this is the same medium. Law now is laws of reflection. Laws of reflection. Two laws. First law, AON and OB lie on the same plane. This is the first law, same plane. Angle, incident ray, normal and reflected ray lie on the same plane. This is the first law. Second law, AON N equal to BON. That is angle I equal to angle R. This is the angle of incidence equal to angle of reflection. Clear? Now, how, please see here, this is the first how image is formed by the plane mirror. This is the mirror angle of incident, this is the incident ray, this is the reflected ray OA, point OA normal on the point of incidence, on the point of incident. Now please see here, I am drawing again. How an image is formed by a plane mirror, by a plane mirror. This is the question mark. Please see here. In this case, I am drawing like this. This is the back surface, or this is the non-reflecting surface. This is the front surface. First thing, we have to draw normal. This point of incidence. This is the body. AO is the, in this case, this A is the object. This object has a special name. This is point object. From this object, light moves in all direction. This is the 2D plane, point is here, but light from this point is moving this direction in 3D dimension. I am taking one ray. This ray AO, this is incident ray IR. This is 1. I am taking incident ray 1. For this incident ray, this is the reflected ray. I am taking reflected ray 1. This angle, sir, I, and this angle R, according to second law, sir, I equal to R. This is the incident ray, sir, this is IR1, this is reflected ray 1. Another ray, another incident ray, this is IR2. IR2. This falls on the mirror normally. Please see here. If we take this line here, what is this I? What is this I? If this point gradually move on this direction, and when the body point is here, light will come here, I equal to R. Since I equal to 0, when from here light moves, in this case I equal to 0, R should be 0, therefore this ray should be here. According to that sense, this is reflected ray, incident ray 2, when falls here angle of incidence 0, R should be, angle of reflection should be 0. This is RR2, reflected ray 2. Now please see here, if we proceed, if we increase in this direction, RR2, in this direction RR1, they will not meet. Please, in behind, if we increase, in this case they will meet here. What is this point? This point is known as A dash or A1. What is this? This is the image of the point or of the object. What is the object? Object is A. Now question, this image is of two types. One image is real image, another image is virtual image. What is this? Image two types. Sir, real and virtual. Virtual. What is the meaning of real and virtual? I am explaining. Please see the board. In this case, this is the incident ray and this is the second incident ray. When they are they are taken in forward direction, they will not meet in forward direction. But when they are taken behind, they will meet. Actually, here is no light. That's why this is dotted line. If it is the real path of light, in that case this will be the continuous line. This is the continuous line, this is the continuous line, this is the continuous line, and this is continuous line. This is RR2. This RR1 and RR2, they are not meeting in the forward direction, they are meeting in the backward direction. When they are taken back, they are not meeting actually in backward direction. They are not actually meeting, but their path are taken by dotted line. When it is taken by dotted line, it is known as virtual image. In this case, this is the image, but what is the name of this image? Sir, this is the virtual image. I will give real image also. This is the virtual image. Play here. What is the question? In this case, A is the object. First thing, please listen to me. A is the object. Which object? Point object. Next is this object is real or virtual. Light is actually coming from A. Therefore, actual or real. This is the real object. In this case, a real object. Please see here. In this case, some character. What is the character? Please see here. This line or this line parallel. This is the transverse line. Therefore, sir, this angle or this angle same. This angle or this angle. You can also write, sir, this angle or this angle. This is the parallel. This is the transverse. This is the alternate angle. Alternate angle. Since here I equal to R, you can also write this R. This is I. According to sense, this angle same. So this is the I. This angle same. And I am taking this point is M. This point is M. Please see here. This angle same. This angle how much? 90 degree. This angle how much? 90 degree. Now please see here. Triangle AMO and A dash MO. I am writing here. Please see here. I am writing. Two triangles. Which two triangles? Triangle AMO and triangle A dash MO. In this two triangle, please see here. Angle MAO equal to angle, this is I, this is also I. What is this angle? A dash O. Triangle A dash O, that equal to I. Okay? Here angle AMO equal to angle sir A dash MO, this equal to 90 degree. And OM, this is the common side. According to these three characters, triangle AMO is congruent to triangle A dash MO. When these two triangles are congruent, according to that sense, sir, this angle same, this angle same. Therefore, this angle must be this angle and this angle must be same. This angle. Therefore, what is the opposite side of this angle? That is AM. What is the side opposite to this angle A dash M. When two triangles are congruent, in that case this side should be same. AM equal to A dash M. This is very important language. What is the language? This is known as object distance. AO object distance and A dash O image distance. What is the language? Language object distance equal to sir image distance. Please write down. Object distance equal to image distance. Now here is question. In this case, plane mirror. This is the plane mirror. This plane mirror is making an image. Which image? Sir, this is the virtual image. Question is, can the plane mirror form a real image? I am writing the question. What is the question? Please see here. Can a plane mirror form a real image? This is the question. Can a plane mirror form a real image, or a real image can be formed by the plane mirror? It is right or wrong? Answer is sir, yes. Answer is not wrong. No. Answer is sir. Answer, what is the answer? Sir, answer is yes. What is the language? Yes. A plane mirror can form a real image. What is the figure? This yes or no without figure has no value. I am giving the figure. Please see the board. What is the figure? In this case, this is the plane mirror. PM means the plane mirror. This is plane mirror. Please see here. Here is an object. Here is an object. Please, from this point, if you see, opposite to this is the, please see here. In this case, light comes from this side, another point is this. When light comes from here, it goes here. Another point is here. Please see, I am drawing the figure like this. What is this? This is the real path of light, but after reflections from this plane mirror, light moves here. Please see here. In this case, this is A and this is A dash. Please see here. This A is formed by these two lines. These two lines are moving towards the plane mirror. Therefore, this is incident ray 1 and this is incident ray 2. They, after reflection, incident ray 1 move like this. Therefore, this is reflected ray 1 and this is reflected ray 2. They are meeting at this point A dash directly. Therefore, it is a continuous line. What is this? Sir, this is the real image. Please, how will you identify an object? Please write down the language. Object is identified by incident rays. How many rays? We need only two rays. Image is identified. Please listen to me, see the board. Identified by reflected rays. In this case, reflected rays. How many rays? Sir, again 2. When reflected ray meet directly at a point, that is the real image. Object, if object, this is the object, this object, this is the object, but here is no real light, therefore this object acts as the virtual object. When object is virtual, image is real. In previous figure, image object was real, image was virtual. Please see here. In this case, if we draw this will be, here will be, what is this? This point A, this M, A dash M, in this case, A dash M, image distance, and what is this? Sir, this is image distance, and sir, AM, in this case, object distance. But this object is, I am deleting this portion. Please see here. What is this? Object distance. Clear? Here, sir, AM dash. Sorry. This is A dash M. This is A dash M. Object distance, it is image distance, equal to sir AM, or you can write AM equal to A dash M. Object distance equal to image distance. Object distance equal to image distance. What is the conclusion? In case of image formation by plane mirror, answer is when object is virtual, image is real. When object is real, image will be virtual. Please draw the figure. This is the example when a real image is formed by a plane mirror. In that case, what is the object? Object should be virtual. When object is virtual, image will be real. And when object is real, this is the virtual. But always object distance equal to image distance. In this case, object distance, image distance is denoted by a small b, and object distance is denoted by a small u. Now I am giving another figure. Please see here. This is another figure. Please see here. This is the back. Here is point. Take perpendicular line here. I am taking this is A. I am taking this is A dash. Please see here. Take from this point same distance, on this side same distance. Now connect this point and this point by dotted line, but this is the real line, continuous line. In this case, after reflection, it will move here from this side again. What is this? It's a dotted line. This is dotted line. This is the continuous line. Light comes like this. After reflection, this is meeting here. Now question is, what is the name of A and what is the name of A dash? Students do mistake here. How? They have no concept. Concept is this point is the real, this point is the image or object. What is the language? So this is, I am taking IR1, this is RR1, incident ray 1, reflected ray 1. This is incident ray 2, this is reflected ray 2. Since these 2 points, since this point is formed by these 2 rays, what type of rays? Sir, reflected rays or incident rays. Since these are the reflected rays, this should be the image. Since it is formed by the continuous line, therefore this should be realness. First thing, it is object or image. What is the conclusion? What is the technique to say, sir, it is the object or it is image? What is the identifying points? If this point is formed by incident rays, this should be object. If this point is formed by two reflected rays, this point should be called image. Since it is formed by the continuous line, not dotted line, therefore this is real image. Please try to understand real image. Now come here. Please come here. A dash, it is the object or image. Please see. This point is formed by this ray and this two rays. These two rays are incident rays. Therefore, this is the object. This point is formed by this incident ray and this incident ray. Therefore, sir, it is the object. Now, question is, here is continuous line or dotted line. Since it is the mirror, it is the back side. Light has no capacity to go back to the plane mirror. Therefore, here is the dotted line. Since this form is formed by the dotted line, therefore, this is virtual object. Please. Therefore, what is the conclusion? For a plane mirror, object, real object, image will be virtual image. This is the conclusion. Virtual object, image is a real image. But in both cases, sir, object distance equal to, sir, image distance. Object distance equal to image distance. Object distance is denoted by u, image distance is denoted by v. In this case, sir, u equal to v. But one thing is important. In this case, u equal to v in terms of magnitude. But in case of plus or minus sign, I will come later on. Just in this case, sir, magnitude. Sir, this is the, what is this? Sir, this point is m. Then in this case, sir, a dash m. This is the object distance and this is the image distance a. Therefore, sir, this is u and this is v. Please write down. Okay. Another thing is important. This is the another thing in case of plane mirror. Question is here. In case of mirror, 1 by v plus 1 by u equal to 1 by f. This is the mirror formula. What is f? F is the focal length. F is the focal length. I will discuss. Please see first here. For mirror, 1 by v plus 1 by u equal to 1 by f. We know, sir, this is image distance, this is object distance. For lens, in light chapter there is lens. What is the formula? Sir, general formula 1 by v minus 1 by u. This is 1 by f. It is the focal length. This is the focal length. What is the meaning of focal length? I will discuss. For lens, this is the formula. For mirror, this is the formula. In case of mirror, we have to see this type of mirror. एकदम simple. This mirror, plane mirror. This is plane mirror. Another thing, convex mirror, and sir, concave mirror. What is the figure of concave surface or sir, convex surface? I am giving the figure. Mirror, 3 types of mirror: plane mirror, convex mirror, concave mirror. I am discussing mirror to today. Plane mirror we have seen. Now I am going to draw the convex concave mirror. Convex and concave mirror, it has the general name. What is the general name? Sir, a spherical mirror. A spherical mirror. This is the sir convex mirror and sir concave mirror. Concave mirror. Please see here. Why the name is spherical? Why the name is spherical? This comes from the word sphere. This comes from the word sphere. I am drawing. Please see here. It looks like the circle. Imagine it is the section of an plane. It is the section of a sphere. I am drawing like this. Please see here. If we do like this, this is the back surface. This is the back surface. What is this? This is the center of the mirror. This is the center of the mirror. This is the back surface. In this case, and I am drawing. So this is the back surface. In this case, sir, this point to this point. Sir, this point is O. Better to say, you can write, sir, this is center. C for center. This has a special name. This is a special name. I am taking P. This is the pole. Here is also, sir, this is the pole. This point is also has the same value, and that value is the radius. What is this? This is the radius. Now, please imagine I am separating these two surfaces, this side and this side. This side acts as the, from this side, this is the convex. This is the convex surface. Therefore, this acts as the convex mirror. I am giving the example, convex mirror. Here is this is the back surface. This is the reflecting surface. This surface is known as, from this surface, reflecting surface. According to name, according to the reflecting surface, it is the convex or concave. Not according to the back surface. In the back surface, this is the concave in nature, but this is the front surface or reflecting surface. Convex or concave, this name is by the reflecting surface, not from the back surface. From the reflecting surface, this is the reflecting surface. This acts as the concave. Therefore, this is the concave mirror. Okay. Now, one thing is important. This is the radius. PC. What is this? I am taking P1. I am taking P2. So P1C equal to P2C. P2C that equal to R. P1C or P2C in the middle. There is a point. That point is capital A. Exactly in this case, sir, P1 F equal to FC or CF. Therefore, since it is the exactly same, total is R. Therefore, this portion and this portion acts as the R by 2. This P1A from the pole, this is the focus. What is the name of the F? This F has a special name. I will discuss. What is this? Sir, this is the focus. From focus to pole, this distance is known as P1F, or from this side, sir, P2F. In this case, according to that sense, sir, this is P2F. This is known as P2F, P1F. What is this? Sir, this is known as a small f. Please be careful. Capital F focus. It is a point. Capital F is a point. But a small f, this is not a point. This is a length. What is the length? This length has a special name with adjective. What is the adjective? Adjective is the focal length. Therefore, Be careful. Capital F is a focus, it is a point, it is a point. A small f, this is not the point, this is the length. What is the name? This is the focal length. Now, come here. I am drawing, this is the place in short, that is this is the center, this is the C, I am drawing like this, I am drawing like this. What is this? This is the back surface, this is the front surface. According to this shape, this is the concave mirror. This is the concave mirror. Please see here. What is the concave mirror? This is a curve. This is the back surface. This surface is the reflecting surface. This surface is known as the concave surface. Concave surface. Concave surface. According to front surface or reflecting surface, it is named concave mirror or concave lens. This is. Suppose here is a breeze. Here is a breeze. This is a point, this is a point, and this is the breeze. On the breeze, car moves. This surface from the above, this is the convex surface. This is the convex surface. Below the breeze, this is the below the breeze. Suppose from here to here, train is moving, and this surface, what is the name? So this surface is known as concave surface. This is the concave surface. First, in case of spherical mirror, we have to identify which is the concave mirror and which is the convex mirror. Depending on the back surface and front surface. Front surface, reflecting surface. This is the non-reflecting surface. This is the back surface. According to the front surface, reflecting surface, this shape is the concave. Therefore, it is known as concave mirror. This is the C. If you draw, so this point is known as pole. This is the main axis, major axis, principal axis. What is this? This is the principal, not PAL. This is the principal, PAL. Principal axis. Please see here. PC. What is PC? Sir, PC equal to R. PC equal to R. PC. Here is the F. What is F? Sir, PF equal to FC. Sir, this is the focal length. This is the focal length. I am taking an object. This is the object. This object is known as extended object. This is A and this is B. I am giving like this. This is the head and this is the tail. Clear? Now, please see here. This is the I am drawing the image of this point. This point acts as the point object. A acts as the point object. B also point object. But AB is the extended object. What is the rule of drawing? What is this? Please take one ray parallel to the principal axis. What is this ray? Ray, incident ray parallel to principal axis. Please be careful. What is this ray? And with arrow. Light without arrow, light is 0. Please be careful. From here, light is moving towards the mirror. Therefore, this ray is the incident ray. I am taking incident ray 1. What is the rule of this law? If incident ray is parallel to the principal axis, after reflection, it will pass through the focus. It will pass through the focus. Class 7, 8, 9, 10 and onwards 11, 12. In all cases, we have to follow this rule. What is the rule? If the incident ray is parallel to the principal axis, reflected ray RR1 will pass through the focus. Reflected ray through focus. Full form ki reflected ray through focus. Incident ray parallel to principal axis. After reflection, that ray will pass through the focus. Okay. Next point. That is very important. I am drawing this figure. Another incident ray. We need only two rays. Another incident ray through the focus. If ray passes through the focus, After reflection, it will pass parallel to the principal axis. This ray, incident ray through focus, this is a reflected ray parallel to principal axis. Be careful. Now, these two rays, this is incident ray, this is reflected ray 2, this is incident ray 1, this is incident ray 2, they are meeting directly here. Therefore, this point acts as the image, and this image, real or virtual, since they are meeting directly, therefore, here, sir, here, what is this? A dash is the first thing, sir. A, what is A? Sir, a real object. A real object. Why real object? From this object, light is coming directly with continuous line. These are shown in the figure with continuous line. Therefore, A is the real object. Here, what is A dash? Sir, A dash formed by the two reflected rays. Therefore, this is the image. But in this case, this point is formed by direct meeting of the two reflected rays. Therefore, this is also a real image. Now, here, what is this? Here, one thing is important. Please see and understand. What is this? Sir, all the distances within bracket U, V and A. In case of mirror, plane mirror or lens, sir, UVA, in case of mirror, all the distances are measured. Please be careful. Are measured from the pole. Therefore, according to that sense, sir, PB. What is this PB? This is the object distance. Please see here. Since it is the object distance, it is denoted by U. P in this case, if you draw a normal by continuous line, this point should be, this is B, this is B dash. This B dash is the image of this. What is image? Real image. In that case, sir, B dash is the image distance. This is denoted by V, and PF. This is the PF. I am writing here. Please see here. What is this? PF, sir. PF, sir. Focal length. Now, sir, this is denoted by F. In this case, sir, general formula for mirror. What is the general formula for mirror? I am writing general formula for mirror. What is this? Sir, here formula is 1 by V plus 1 by U equal to 1 by A. Now, one thing is important. VUF. Which one is plus, which one is minus? There is one rule. What is the rule? Please be careful. And I am giving sign rule or rule of sign. What is the rule of sign? This is very, very important. Be careful. Very, very important. From here, all the distances are measured from P. Therefore, here PB, this is the measurement direction. PB dash. What is this? This is, I am writing MD. What is the meaning? Measurement direction. And this is the incident ray, direction of the incident ray. If measurement direction and direction of incident ray, they are opposite, sign will be negative. They are same, sign will be positive. In this case, sir, what is this? In this case, this is incident ray, this is the measurement direction. In all cases, here, sir, for PB object distance, this is the measurement direction, incident ray this direction. Therefore, here U is negative. What is the rule? Please listen to me. Measurement direction light and measurement direction incident ray direction same. In that case, that is taken as positive. Distance is taken as positive. Distance taken as positive. Measurement direction this, and this is the incident ray direction. This is the incident ray direction. In that case, the distance is taken as negative. Please listen to me. This is the measurement direction. This is the incident direction. If these two directions are same, that distance should be taken positive. Measurement direction and direction of the incident they are opposite. In that case, that distance should be taken negative. I am giving that example here. Please see here. In this case, sir, this is the incident ray. For PB, sir, this is the measurement direction. Therefore, sir, here U is negative. Another direction. This is the incident ray. This is the, sir, what is this? This is the measurement direction for image distance. PB the image distance. PB is the image distance. Again, sir, opposite. Therefore, here B is also negative. Another thing is important. This is the incident ray, sir. This is the measurement direction. Therefore, what is this PF? PF is the focal length. In this case, sir, focal length is also negative. Please be careful. In this case, what is the language for any question? Class 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. In all cases, what is the nature of the image? This is important. Please, this is the important. Nature of the image. Nature of the image. Nature of the image formed by. In this case, formed by. Here, I am writing here. What is this? First thing, here image is a real image. A real image. This is real image. First thing, this is the real image. Another thing. This is the head. Object head is above, but head of the image is below. Same direction. Head of the object and image are in same direction. In that case, this is known as erect image. In this case, inverted. Object is image is first thing. What is the nature? It's a real image, inverted image. Another thing is important. You can. Here is the one important term. Small m is known as magnification. In this case, this is V by E. According to this sense, m greater than 1, m equal to 1, and m less than 1. This is known as magnified. This is equal in size. And less than 1, this is known as diminished in size. A small size. In this case, please see here, this is the V and this is the U. Which is greater? Greater is U. Therefore, V is small. Therefore, size in this case, size is diminished in size. Please be careful. In lower classes, figure how image is formed by concave mirror or convex mirror. This is the question. And next question is very important. What is the nature of the image? Real or virtual, erect or inverted, diminished, equal or magnified. In this case, real image, inverted image, diminished in size. Image is diminished in size. Diminished in size means with respect to object with respect to which is bigger. This is bigger, this is the smaller. This is the bigger because U is bigger, V is smaller. Next question, in higher classes, we have to do some mathematics. According to mathematics, what is the formula? Formula is 1 by V, 1 by U, in this case 1 by F. In this figure, all the three are negative. For better understanding, for concave mirror, F is negative. Concave mirror, write down by 3 star. F is negative for concave mirror. I am deleting and removing this portion. Please be careful. F is negative for concave mirror. I will show F is positive for convex mirror. Please, now I am going to draw the image. In case of convex mirror. Please see here. What is the convex mirror rule? What is the rule? Please continue. This is the back surface. Here consider the C. This is the pole. P and C, draw a line. This is the principal axis. Principal axis. Please see here. P and C. At the middle there is F. Now I am taking an object here. This is A, this is B. A is the head, this is the tail. What is the rule? Rule is same. Draw an incident ray from the object. This is incident ray parallel to principal axis. In case of plane mirror, in case of convex mirror, light has no capacity to go in the side. In that case, mirror will be broken. But this is not our duty to break the mirror. What is the rule? In this case, we have to take the dotted line. Ray will move. What is this? What is this? So this is incident ray 1. This is reflected ray 1. Okay. Next, another point is very, very important. Please go here by dotted line. But continue here. What is this? Sir, this is incident ray 2. Incident ray 2, sir, it has a tendency to go through the focus. In this case, light will not pass because this is the back side. In that case, what will happen? The ray will move parallel to the principal axis. Incident ray wants to move through focus. After reflection, it will be parallel to the principal axis. This is reflected ray 2. This is reflected ray 1. This is reflected ray 2. This here, if we proceed, if we extend, they will not in forward direction. In that case, by dotted line, sir, they will meet here. That what is this point? Sir, this point, sir, A dash. Now I am drawing. What is this? I am drawing, sir, here. What is this? Sir, this is B dash. In this case, A dash, B dash, this is the image, whole image, key image. What type of image? Sir, this is the sir, virtual image. Because in this point, light is not actually reaching. They are taken back. Therefore, this is the virtual image. What is the nature? Sir, nature of the image. Be careful. Nature of the image. From next point, nature of image, I will like this in Y. What is that? First point, sir, this is virtual. Second point, sir, this is A. Head is arrow. Here head is also arrow. This is known as erect. And third point, this is smaller, this is bigger. Therefore, what is the name? Sir, diminished in size. Okay. Next part is very, very important. Be careful here. Here, sir. Here, what is this? PB. What is PB? Sir, this is object distance. Object distance. Now question, this distance, object distance, this is positive or negative? I will take. What is PB dash? PB dash, PB dash is the sir image distance. Image distance. Image distance. Please see here. Image distance. Okay. And what is PF? Sir, PF. I am relating here. What is this? PF. 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 Sir, what is this? PF is the sir focal length. Focal length. Focal length. Object distance, this is denoted by U. Image distance, denoted by V. This is denoted by F. Now, please see here. U, in this case, U, V and F, this is very, very important. This is the measurement direction, MD. This is measurement direction and this is the incident ray direction. For PV, opposite. For PV, opposite. Therefore, U is negative. Please see again. I have to go to B from P. Therefore, this is the measurement direction. MD measurement direction, incident ray opposite. Therefore, this distance is negative. For PB dash, what is this? Sir, this is the measurement direction. This is the measurement direction. This is the incident ray direction. Same. Therefore, this is positive. For A, from here to here, this is the measurement direction and this is the incident ray direction. Therefore, this is negative. This is positive. Please, this part is very important for numerical question. When we do numerical question, we need positive sign of UVA or negative sign, which is correct. According to figure, this should be 100% correct. Otherwise, there will be mistake. What is this? Suppose here I am giving one question. One question, please question. See question. U in this case 10 centimeter. This 10 in this case should be minus. Suppose its F is 5 centimeter, but this 5 is minus 5 centimeter. Question is, what is B? What is B? What is the formula? Formula is here. What is the formula? Please see here. I am doing here. What is the formula? Formula is, since it is the mirror, what is the formula? 1 by B minus 1 by U. This is A. Please see here. Our question is B. Please come. Write B. What is U? U is, in this case, sir, negative. We have to put negative. What is F? What is F? F is also negative. Now, this is plus. What is this? 1 by V. This is 1 by minus 1 by 5. This is plus. Minus plus. When it will come here, again minus. Now do LCM. What is this? This is 10. This is minus 2. This is minus 1. What is this? Ultimately minus 3 by 10. What is B? Please see here. What is B? Sir, here, sir, V is, I am deleting this portion. I am deleting this portion. Please see here. What is this B? Sir, V equal to minus 10 by 3. That is minus 3.3 this centimeter. What is the rule of minus? In this case, why is negative? In this case, negative means, please see here. This is the B, this is the measurement direction, and this is the incident direction of the incident ray. This is the measurement direction, this is the incident direction. This should be plus. Where is the mistake? Here is the mistake. Here is the mistake. What is the mistake? In case of mirror, general formula, this formula is plus. This should be plus. Therefore, this should be plus. In that case, this is minus. In this side, this is plus. What is this? In this case, this is plus. This is 1 by 2. F equal to. This is F equal to.
Hello.
Here 1 by 5 minus 1 by 5.
Hello.
What is this? Please go here. Come here. I'm reading. What is this? U equal to this is the measurement direction, this is the incident ray. I am taking this is 10 centimeter. In this case, F, I am taking F equal to this is measurement, this is convex mirror, this is, here is the mistake, this is positive, this is the measurement direction and this is the incident ray direction, this is 5 centimeter. So what is the V? What is V? 1 by V plus 1 by U equal to 1 by A. Okay, what is this? This is the V. What is U? U is here 1 by minus 10. What is F? F equal to plus 1 by 5. This is minus, what is the formula? 1 by V. This is 1 by V. What is this? 1 by 5. This is minus in this side. This is what is this? This is 10. This is 2. This is 1. This is 3 by 10 centimeter. That what is the V? V equal to 10 by this. This is the plus 3.3.3 centimeter. Okay, this is sufficient for today. Thank you all.